3, 2, 1, start. PTI lawmakers who were whisked away from Parliament in the dead of the night earlier this week narrated their ordeal in the National Assembly on Thursday, highlighting the treatment meted out to them in custody as they expressed gratitude to the Speaker for issuing their production orders. Full stop. The PTI men were arrested from Parliament earlier this week by plainclothesmen and later handed over to the police in connection with cases registered against them at the police station for violating the NOC for a public gathering and allegedly threatening the police officials. Full stop. Subsequently, their production orders were issued by NA Speaker on Wednesday and they managed to attend Thursday's session. Full stop. New para. PTI leaders apprised the House about what happened to them during their 3 days in custody. Full stop. Before the NA session, the PTI lawmakers held a meeting with the Speaker and expressed gratitude for issuing production orders for the lawmakers. Full stop. He said he will remember the role of the Speaker. Full stop. A source told Dawn that during the 3-day detention, he constantly remained in touch with the police for the safekeeping of detained MNAs and sent meals for them to the CIA Center. Full stop. During the meeting, the Speaker expressed displeasure over some of the statements of other PTI leaders who alleged that PTI MNAs were arrested with the consent of the Speaker. Full stop. New para. Speaking on the floor, firebrand PTI leader claimed Islamabad DIG operations who had covered his face with a mask, but he managed to recognize the officer, pointed his 9mm gun at him, threatening him with dire consequences. Full stop. He said similar treatment had been given to him, he and Rana Sanaullah of the PMLN by the masked men, which he had condemned. Full stop. PTI Secretary General said all lines were crossed on Tuesday to humiliate Parliament. Full stop. He said the PTI leaders were ready to conclude the public meeting on time, but all the roads leading to the venue of the event were barricaded and the PTI workers reached there a bit late for that reason. Full stop. The end.